How to share your location on WhatsApp. If any day you would like to share your location on WhatsApp but don't know how to do it, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. In order to do so, tap on WhatsApp on your mobile device. After that, WhatsApp will be launched on your mobile device. Now tap on the very person to whom you want to share your location to. After you tap on the very person to whom you want to share your location to, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the attach button out on the downside and go to the option of location and tap on the option of location. After you tap on the option of location, you can see two options out there. Number first is share the live location and number second is send your current location. And otherwise you can also send your other locations such as the very locations shown in the down portions. Now since I would like to share my live location with the very person, I tap on the very option of the share the live location. After tapping that, you have to go to the option of continue. And after going to the option of continue, there is an option of 15 minutes, 1 hour and 8 hours. I tapped on the option of 1 hour. You can also tap on the option which you want. And in the comment section, you can write anything out there. For example, I wrote I am here. Otherwise, you can also write any of the comments that you require. And after that, you can send this. This way, your live location will be sent. Thank you for watching our video. And if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.